The South African business sector is on its way back to recovery after the impact of the first phase of the coronavirus pandemic, according to RNB Business Confidence Index. However, experts are concerned about the rapid spread of new infections in the country, which could hamper the growth of business again. The president had recently introduced strict measures to contain the rapid spread of the virus. Here are more details of that in this report.
Business in South Africa is slowly getting back on track. Whilst the hard lockdown was necessary, it battered the economy. But according to the latest RNB Business Confidence Index, there's some upside.
I think it was expected that some sectors of business would begin to ramp up, and that's what's happened. But I think we need to appreciate that that ramp up is from a significant drop in the previous quarter. What we've seen in the last quarter is that the opening up of the economy in the last couple of months after going down to lockdown level 1 has had a beneficial impact on economic growth.
All sub-indexes in business confidence rose, albeit off a low base. There are concerns, though, that a second wave of COVID-19 currently sweeping across the country will impact business again.
I think we're certainly probably past the worst. Because I don't imagine that we would go back to a hard lockdown like we saw at level 5 that crippled many businesses' opportunity to actually operate. I think where we're not past the worst is particularly structurally reconfiguring the economy to be able to grow sustainably. We've got to make sure that we remove those structural impediments.
The president addressed South Africans Monday night announcing tighter restrictions to curb the spread, but was careful not to limit business too much.
We've seen in Europe, as we continue to see in America, the virus hasn't gone away. In fact, the virus is even stronger in the second wave, and we're beginning to see that in South Africa. We have certainly said publicly that we don't think if a move from lockdown level 1 to stronger lockdowns is appropriate. We don't think that's going to actually assist in curbing the growth of and the spread of the virus, and it will have a detrimental impact on the economy.
The Business Confidence Index jumped to 40 from 24. It's a significant rise, but one that comes on the back of eased lockdown regulations. South Africa still has a long way to go before strong economic activity returns and the business environment is more conducive for entrepreneurs.